Là, genre ça approche et tout.
Ok, prendre devant toi le guidon.
Ouais, mais en relevant, le problème c'est que ça... Attends. Ouais, voilà, c'est ça. Là.
Moto life. 811 over everything. I see you, John. I heard it all. I'm a wigger, a cracker. I'm just telling you people who I really am. You can like it, you can hate it. Hip hop is colorblind. This is just me, and I can prove it. I lost it all, I really am. But here's my comeback.
Welcome to Moto life. This all I know in life. I shake and I roll the dice. I pray to a holy mic. You hate cause I show you right. You hate cause I'm flowing like new school Dolomite. Too cool, cold as ice. The YouTube poltergeist. Don King fixing a show tonight. Street dreams still a G thing, even though I'm white. So I kiss Mary Jane and told her bonjour. I'm romantically ruthless. This is blood sport. It takes two balls to play the game in a focus. No need for teammates or no coaches. No locker room talks. All that yapping is bogus. I am explosive. Dynamite Mazy, you can quote this. Nobody goes to hell and lives until I came the closest. Sick 'em like a shark attack. Nightmare on a new beach. Giving hip hop a heart attack. I abuse beats. Studio insomniac. I'm cold. I refuse sleep. I ain't no nigga. I ain't no cracker. I ain't your ordinary motherfucking rapper. It's Macy, baby, Motoking. More than a rapper, ride or die. I'm a Motoking. I ain't no nigga. I ain't no cracker. I ain't your ordinary motherfucking rapper. It's Macy, baby, Motoking. More than a rapper, ride or die. I'm a Motoking. Tell the preacher I'm skipping church, but I might read my Bible later. Think I found a ride of heaven for sale in my cycle trade. I'm a gladiator, freaking nature. 811, you see his player. 811 or everything you disrespect, and you'll meet you making my tattoos like true stories. More than words on a piece of paper. Love songs, bomb threats make wicked love so complex. No obstacle or object can complicate my process. Bullet shells, rose petals, my heart and soul like cold metal, like jet fumes in my bedroom. When a weed increase my smoke levels, my train of thought on crash course. Lifestyle and fast forward, my turf bike is my passport. I'm spazzing out cause you asked for it, blacking out cause you asked for it, spazzing out cause you asked for it. I ain't no wigger, I ain't no cracker, I ain't your ordinary motherfucking rapper. It's Macy, baby, Motoking. More than a rapper, ride or die, I'm a Motoking. I ain't no wigger, I ain't no cracker, I ain't your ordinary motherfucking rapper. Lost track of timing. Every whip feels like I'm flying. Slowing down feels like I'm dying. And I'm screaming, gear up. Two-stroke for life with the heart of a lion. I just wanna make love to the track. The dirt looks like brown sugar, and this might be my last ride. I got a pin and throw one footers. No podium when I'm done, and I can't forget where I'm from. I'm a ride for the love, for the fun. Moto life, we are one. Riding down that dirt road, just me and my dirt bike. bike. 811, 811, 811, I'm seeing things. Is that you, Josh? 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 I feel like I lost my mind. Even though there's more to life than just motor life. Wearing titles, felt like gold. Felt like gold. There's nothing like painting dirt bikes. Riding down the dirt road, just me and my dirt bike. Throwing fat waves, it's just me and my dirt bike. Winning every race, it's just me and my dirt bike. Me and my dirt bike, it's just me and my dirt bike. Riding till it's night, just me and my dirt bike. Clearing people out, it's just me and my dirt bike. I don't need anyone, just me and my dirt bike. It's just me and my dirt bike, just me and my dirt bike.